By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create your own CRA account, and I will be telling you the benefits as to why you should open a CRA account. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Ryan Banks, and my channel is about financial tips and tricks that you can bank on. And I post videos every second Monday at 5 p.m. Eastern. Now I'm going to show you how you can create your own CRA account. The first thing you need to do is go on Google and search CRA account. Click on the first link that says My Account for Individuals. Then the first option is you can click on Sign In Partners, and you'll be able to sign in if you deal with one of these banks. Now let me show you the second way that you can create your CRA account. So if you scroll down all the way to CRA Sign In, if you click on CRA Register, you'll be brought to this page and you will need to input your social insurance number or your SIN number. And then click Next. Now it will bring you to this page where you'll need to input your postal code, your date of birth, so mine is July 17th, and then also it will ask you for information from your current or previous tax return. So you need to have this information exactly or else it won't let you continue to create your account. So once you've input all the information, you click Next. After, it will bring you to a screen where you will be able to create your username and password. And once you completed this, you will be able to temporarily access your CRA account. So to access your account, you just need to scroll all the way down to CRA Sign In, input your username and password, and then you'll be able to have access to your account. Now, to get full access to your account, you will receive a CRA code that you will be able to enter once you receive it in the mail. Once you input that code, the next time that you sign in, you will be able to have full access to your account. So when you log into your CRA account, this is the screen that you will see. So what I like about the CRA account is it gives you a quick snapshot of all your income tax information into one website. So right now, as you can see, it will tell you your refund from your previous tax return. You can also click to see your notice of assessment. And if you look on the left bar, it will tell you that you can look at your tax return information, accounts and payments, benefits and credits, and many more things. Now, if you scroll down a little bit further onto the page, it will show you the quick snapshot of the benefits and credits. And what my personal favorite thing to look at is my RSP contribution limit and also my TFSA contribution room. So there's a lot of very useful information that you can access into this website. I hope you found this video very informative and you go and take the steps right now to go open your own CRA account. So before I let you go, I just want to thank you for watching the video and I hope you have a great day.